Hello and welcome again from Shivshankar Dayal from liberprogramming.org, and in this part I'll tell you about a new feature which was introduced in C99, that is variable length arrays. If you see old code in many books, they will define a macro like this: hash define max, maybe 10, maybe 100, max maybe something else, and then they will say a max within brackets, and they may initialize to some value. I have initialized to 0, you may initialize to 1 to 100, so it depends. Now, a better way to initialize is you declare a variable const int maximum and then you initialize the array. The restriction is that you cannot initialize it. Why? Because max at compile time will be replaced, but this maximum will come into existence only when the program will run. So the actual size of array B will not be known at compile time. Therefore, you cannot initialize it. But even this maximum is a global variable, and by the very look, we know that okay, this is the maximum limit. But what if we want user to control the length of array? How to do that? The way to do that is you declare an integer n, and then you take that input from user, and then you declare an array of that length. So this is in turn what you would say is user length is controlled at runtime. So kind of truly variable array. You can change its length at runtime. So these are three ways, rather two ways, in which you can declare uh, variable length arrays. Now this is outdated. Outdated. You should not use it. Should not use it. I have explained why you should not use it, because it does not go in the symbol list. Max will not go in the symbol list. At the time of pre-processing, it will get replaced. For example, if you want to see that, I can show you. So if you say gcc minus std is equal to c99 minus e var array dot c pi plus. So let's go at the bottom. Now see here, you don't have 100. Now obviously you will see the macro. Okay, no, you won't even see the macro. The macro is gone. Macros are ripped out. So you won't even see the macro now. It's a magic number. You don't know what this 100 is. It might hold some significance. For example, in this menu, edit menu, you have got 6 items. So this may refer to number of items in edit menu, this 100. So it may refer to number of items in this menu. It may refer to number of tabs in the terminal. So this magic number does not tell you the context that what it refers to. That is why never ever use macros to declare your symbolic constant for an array. Always use like this. You will say that okay, we cannot initialize it, but then you can initialize it later here. For int I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than maximum semicolon I plus plus bi is equal to whatever value you want to put. Now this is less efficient than this initialization, but still it is a much better piece of code as far as ethics are concerned, ethics of programming, as I would say it. So that's it for now in variable length array demos. See you in our next part, where I'll tell you about addition of binary numbers. I remember I have told you about addition of binary numbers which are integers. Now I'll tell you about addition of those binary numbers which are floating points. It is somewhat different, but you will see it's fun nonetheless. Thanks for watching the video, and keep visiting libreprogramming.org for more material on programming and mathematics. and related stuff. Thanks.